This is
Suma.
chili or what?
Yes, chili,
Huh?
spice chili,
This is spice. This is spice. Huh?
but not very spice.
Not very spice. I mean, it looks nice. Okay. This is mixing. Yes, this is
Dana,
tamasas.
dana,
Danas.
dana.
Danasas. Huh?
Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. So, right now I'm in Baku, and today I will be traveling to Gabala. Gabala is like 250 kilometers away from Baku, and there are a couple of places that I will be visiting in Gabala. And after that, I will be going to Sheki. So, it's going to be an amazing day. Guys, look at the view here. It's absolutely mesmerizing. Honestly, mountains are the beginning and end of all natural scenery. And here's our guy Eden. Let's go, man.
Okay, brother, which city is this one?
Shamakh.
Shama Khash.
Yes, Shamakh.
Shama,
Old city, Azerbaijan.
old city. This is an old city in Azerbaijan. Shama Khair. So finally we can see some snow around in here. Which area this Gabala all started?
Ismayilli.
Hey then,
Hello.
where are we right now?
This city, Ismayilli.
Ismaila.
Yes.
Ismaila, huh? This is Ismaila, and guys, there is a lot of snow here. You see the backside mountain, especially this side. I see a lot of snow here. That's awesome. So I think we are near to Gabala, where I want to go first, and yeah, after that there's like a 1 hour drive to Sheki, which is my final destination for today. What is this, brother?
Flowers mix, all local mountain village tea.
This is local Azerbaijani tea.
This cinnamon means, this jasmine.
This one is cinnamon?
Yeah.
Okay.
But number one best quality tea. It's all local flowers.
This is all tea. Oh, flowers.
Smell. This inside have lavanda, saffron.
Oh, okay. This is lavender. This is mixed flavored. Huh?
This inside strawberry.
This is with strawberry.
All not fabric, not supermarket, organic tea.
Okay. So this is like 10 manat for each box. Okay, what is this one?
This is same tea, 200 gram.
200 gram. This is 200 gram box. This is 100 gram box. Okay. These are sweets.
Yeah, all delight. Oh.
I have yes. What is this one? I had it yesterday. I have this
This
one.
is saffron inside walnut, peanut, honey.
This is walnut, peanut, honey. Okay. And what is this? This is almond, huh?
Yeah.
This one. Huh? What is this one?
Pistachio honey.
Pistachio honey. Okay. And this is all baklava types and
All local wine. Azerbaijan. Flour mix.
this is mountain honey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for cough, special for stomach. Have benefit. See?
Pure honey. Wow.
Yes, we have original certification diploma. Don't put inside. Please.
Okay. Fresh honey.
This flower honey.
What about this? This is red. This is also honey.
Saffron honey.
Saffron honey.
This for anemia, good low blood.
Okay. This is for like Azerbaijani saffron or
Yeah.
Irani?
Azerbaijan. This is mountain saffron.
Oh my God, there is
Degree
saffron.
number 2 saffron, but this is.
Well, I have heard saffron only from Iran most of the time. This is the first time I'm seeing saffron other than Iran.
Azerbaijan saffron popular.
Yeah. What is this one?
Azerbaijani halwa. Inside
Halwa.
walnut, nut, milk, honey.
How much?
1 kg 20 manat. You want 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece? No.
Honey, you're talking is all of these things mixed with all of this.
All mixed, yes, all.
All
New.
mixed. And
No,
this is this.
this no, all new. Small.
This.
Yes. No problem. Half kg, 1 kg. Mix is for cold tap benefit very good.
Okay.
This is flour dust, hot very good.
Flower dust, huh?
Yes, this is saffron.
This is saffron.
Against cancer very good.
Yeah, mixing. What's your name, guys? I mean, name.
For me, Amin.
Amin. And you?
Abdullah.
Abdullah, mashallah. Abdullah is very cute.
Kakos. Bal.
Okay, so this is mixing up here. This is mixing up. So guys, finally we are entering Gabala. I mean, we are there. You see there's snow here. And this is the way going. This is our car. And this is Aiden. Aiden is sneezing. Alright. So right now we are in Yeddi, Gozel 7.
Beautiful.
Bufa. This is like a natural waterfall scenario. And yes. Oh, there was a horse about to hit me. Natural honey is there. Salam alaikum. All of natural stuff. Wow. Look at the view, guys. This is snow. There's leaves are gone from the trees. Look at this. They sell wood here, something like this, you know. And there you can see they're constructing something. And look at Eden. He's running. I think the waterfall is ending here. I have to go up a lot of stairs, so I think my need of gym will be fulfilled here. Huh? It's just not starting there, starting way up. Okay, I like natural sightseeing as well, you know. This looks quite natural thing.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dream.
So guys, see waterfall here. It's way up there. Oh my god. Look at this. From here it's going down. Look at this kid, this boy. Oh wow. Eden is happy, huh? Love, huh? Yeddi Gozel. So I'm just crossing the bridge to go up. Look, this is an amazing view, guys. The water is like stopped there, you know. So you see clearly some of the water is coming down. It's going there. Eden, are you tired or what? Huh?
What?
You are tired?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So guys, we are going down. Yeah, this place is very nice. I mean, it's a natural waterfall, and I am a fan of waterfalls, to be honest. So that's it from Yeddi Gozel waterfall. It's a very nice pure scene. Okay, on to the next one. So right now we are in
Nohur Lake.
Nohur Lake. Assalamu alaikum. Kif halik? How are you? This is like a boat. No, we are not kids anymore. Guys, this is like a park or something. They have rides for kids here. Some food is there at this boat tip. No, okay.
Sen geç oraya, bu rahat olsun.
Ben hep çok düştü öldürdüm benim ya.
Arada bir de açılış var. Afiye var.
Hey then,
Welcome, brother.
Nagor,
Location Nohur Lake.
Nohur Lake. I mean, it's nice. I mean, the water must be very
nice
cold,
lake.
huh?
Very nice lake.
Very nice. Go.
Nice
It's
to
okay.
meet you. You respect.
Sure. We just survived an accident, guys. It's nice. Yeddi is a good driver, you know. I had accident almost 2 times.
And this ship action.
Yes.
Sport.
Sport, yeah, good. I'm talking with the guys. It's looking. I feel like I'm in my gym,
Yes, my
doing the
life,
bike. Very
My
good.
life very
Now
fast shape.
Yeah, it is.
No relax.
Sure. So wearing this traditional Azerbaijani cap, huh? Look at this.
Kafkas, Tanset, Lezginka.
Uh-huh.
Taraf Arabi koyunda bizim koyun.
Koyun.
Koyun ne var? Koyun, muamele koyun.
Coin.
Taraf
Okay.
Koyun ne?
3 metal pick 5.
Okay. Again, this is how much the metal?
This is 5,
5,
3,
3.
and 2.
This is all 2. Okay. These ones are very nice, you know. Souvenirs. Absolutely, this is a nice view here, you know. Nohur, Gozel Lake. What's your name, brother?
Tabrit.
Tabre. This brother owns this thing. Mashallah. Azari, yeah? Great. Honestly, this area is not crowded, but I'm really enjoying the natural scenery here. I love these natural views, you know. So here she's making Pendirli Kutab. It's a local
Fast food.
food. I mean, it looks like this. Right now she's preparing for us. It's a very different kind of, stuff. Big piece of bread.
Sen bu tabu yağlı yine.
Yağlı her için.
This
Bir
is
de ne oldu
the
onu
bread
bir?
we are having.
Ben
Okay,
pişireyim.
here it
Var
is.
yine bir tane
Var
burada.
var. Onu da değil koy bunun pendirine.
Pendirli
kalsın
Kutab.
da.
Pendirli Kutab.
Karışık varsa ne o da onu.
Var var. Sen bunu
Okay.
koy bunun üstüne götüreyim.
On kalsın çünkü.
Nice setup, ha? Well, I can't get this name into my mind. Pendirli Kutab. Yes, Pendirli Kutab. It's like a paratha, we call it in Asia. This will be like with vegetable and cheese, something like this. It has been cut into pieces. Pendirli Kutab. Setting it up.
Restorana gidenler.
Guys, here I'm going to eat this prawn appetit, huh? Pendirli Kutab. Finally, I'm going to eat it.
biraz safış şey olur değil mi?
It's hard. Cheese with like, I don't know what to call it. This green vegetable, but this is very nice traditional food.
Utab, Azerbaijan local fast food.
Yeah. What is this thing?
Suma.
Well, this is like a chili, but it makes this very tasty. Certainly, the traditional dishes are very tasty most of the times, you know. Especially this one, are very nice. So, let's move toward our next spot. Still, I don't know which one is this. We'll decide in the car. I have my things there. Let's move.